Hello, today I'm going to show you how to download and change themes icon. Look like macOS on Windows 10. It's very easy steps, so let's start it. First, open your browser and copy the link that I have provided the description to paste in your browser, or you also can click on the link to open it directly. And here, just click on download button. And its size very small, it's just only 12 megabyte. Click on download anyway. Then click start download. And after download finished, just click open folder. Then send file to your desktop. And right-click on your file and click on Extract here. Then open your folder. And you will see 3 files in the folder. And 1 guideline text file too. If you are not sure how to install, then you can read the text and follow the steps. First, extract all these 3 files. Then open Take Ownership folder. And click Add Take Ownership Registry file, and click Merge. Then go back to another folders. Then right-click on Theme Patcher. And click Run as Administrator. Then click Next. Click Accept the terms and click Next again. Click I agree. Then click Install. Then it will take you some time to finish the installation. And after the installation finished, you need to restart your computer to apply change. Then just click Next to reboot your computer. And here, just select Reboot Now, and click on Finish. And remember, after you click Finish, your computer will restart immediately. Okay, after your computer restart, then let's go to the next step. Open the folder again. Then follow the video. Open for Windows 10 folder. Then click on Windows 10 theme. Open Dark Mode folder. Then copy all the files in this folder. Then go to Local Disk C. Click on Windows folder. And scroll down to find Resources folder. Open Resource folder. And click on Themes. Then paste your files here. Click on Replace the files. Then let's go to the last step. Right-click on your desktop and click on Personalize. Then click on Themes. Then just click on any theme style that you like. Then go to check the result. As you can see, my close dot icon has been changed. Let's go to change to another style. Okay, this style is look good for me. And if you want to change your text color, then follow the video. Click on Color. Just select any color that you like. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you liked this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and feel free give us subscribe to stay tuned with our new video. Thanks and bye for now.